Magandang gabi. Tonight we're going to learn another 4 Tagalog words. We're going to learn what the Tagalog words for door, roof, ceiling, and window. Let's start with window. Window in Tagalog is bintana. 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 And next word we have door. Door is pinto. 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 Another word, ceiling, and that's kisame. 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 And our fourth word, we have roof. Roof is bubong. 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 So, let's review our 4 words for tonight. We have window, and that's bintana. 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 And we have door, pinto. 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 And we have ceiling, that's kisame. Kisame. And roof is bubong. Bubong.